It's so cruel to love someone halfway and make them feel like they're not enough. To make them feel, parang there's like a mental, meron yang naapektuhan ng mental health mo dyan kapag ang isang tao hindi ka pinipili. Imbes na makita mo yung mali dun sa tao, you're blaming yourself. There are some people who constantly change themselves or they feel, oh, there's something wrong with me. Iba yung type niya. So you try to fit into their type para piliin ka nila pero hindi pa rin enough. Or you mold your character into them so that for you, they'll finally see you and choose you. But then, ginawa mo na lahat, binigay mo na lahat, hindi pa din. Hindi ka pa rin pinipili. If you guys want to watch the full episode, just check us out on Spotify and my YouTube channel.